They called it Godzilla for a reason. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of Japanese automotive history that dominated racetracks around the world. But what's inside the monster? We literally cut open a Nissan Skyline GT-R to show you. This cutaway reveals the secrets behind the myth. The beastly RB26 DATT engine that became a tuning icon, the black magic of the ATTESA AWD system that gave it supercar grip, the complex four-wheel steering that made it handle like a dream, the brutal strength of a chassis built for victory.